Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best email marketing softwares for beginners. Now what I think is really important to have a free plan that you can choose, then that you can, in free plan you have multiple things that you can use, you are not limited that much, and really good pricing with a good features. So this is what we're looking for. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the links. When you will do it, you will get on these two software websites. First one is Sendinblue and the second one is MailRite. Now both of these email software are really great. The first thing we will look on is pricing, and why do I recommend them, advantages and disadvantages I personally see. Now let's start. First, Sendinblue. Sendinblue, when we look on the pricing, is they got free account that you can use. So as you can see here, unlimited contacts, but up to 300 emails per day. What I really like is that you can test templates, how to create campaigns, and it's really simple to use, that you are not going to make a mistake if you use it. And now you get the light version, you get like email support, no daily sending limit, and there is a premium account in which you get like marketing automations that you can use, Facebook retargeting ads. Now this is the first one, the Sendinblue pricing. I want to present you now the pricing of MailRite. That's the second I prepared for you, and then we will talk about the features they have. Now, if you get up to 1,000 subscribers, also MailRite is completely for free, and you can send up to 12,000 emails a month. Then let's say that you want to send, I don't know, 10,000, or like let's say you have 5,000 subscribers and you want to send 1 email per month. You would pay $30 here. But if you want to have also 5,000, you would pay $25 a month. So both of these pricing plans are different. MailRite is all about subscribers, and Sendinblue is about how many emails you're gonna send. So if you're gonna send a lot of emails, you should use MailRite. But if you're gonna send like, I don't know, you're gonna have like less subscribers, but you're gonna send, I don't know, you're gonna have a lot of subscribers that you're not going to send a lot of emails, you should choose Sendinblue. Now about the main features. When I'm going to show you this, it's going to be amazing. The first thing is that both of these apps are simple to use. So if you're gonna choose Sendinblue or MailRite, you're not going to make a mistake. Now, in Sendinblue, the advantage is that you get also SMS campaigns, retargeting ads, Facebook ads, landing pages, you can have chat on your website, and CRM software if you need it. Now, on the other hand, on MailRite, let me show you, login. You can simply create forms here, automations, and what I really like in both of these, you're gonna see templates. So let me show you. You can simply choose any other template that you want. And you have pop-ups here, landing pages that you can use and really play around it, as you can see it here, right? So this is how you can simply do it. And when you look here on Sendinblue, you see it here, CRM, chat and everything, and those templates are really great. Now, from the UX and UI standpoint, both of these are simple to use. So you won't get lost like in MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. There is one disadvantage MailRite has, is that you need to wait until they're going to approve your account. So if you don't want to wait for 3-4 days, definitely go with the Sendinblue. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.